Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense fruits on the planet, packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support overall well-being. Often called nature's butter, this creamy green fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. One of the most impressive things about avocados is their high content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and support cardiovascular health. They are also loaded with fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full for longer. A single avocado provides a good dose of potassium, even more than a banana, helping regulate blood pressure and muscle function. When it comes to vitamins, avocados are rich in vitamin K, essential for bone health, as well as vitamin E, which supports skin and hair. They also contain B vitamins that help with energy production and brain function, along with vitamin C for a strong immune system. Beyond their nutritional benefits, avocados are incredibly versatile. They can be mashed into guacamole, sliced onto toast, blended into smoothies, or even used as a substitute for butter in baking. To pick a perfectly ripe avocado, gently press the skin. If it gives slightly, it's ready to eat. If you need to speed up the ripening process, place it in a paper bag with a banana or apple. Avocados are not just a trendy food. They are a powerhouse of nutrition that can support heart health, digestion, and glowing skin. Whether you enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, or straight from the spoon, this fruit is a delicious way to nourish your body.